Alright, it is Friday, October 25th, 2019 at 4:52 p.m. Alright, let's take a look quickly here at the National Hurricane Center. We have Olga, Tropical Storm Olga, with maximum sustained winds of 35 knots or 40 miles per hour, minimum central pressure of 998 millibars, located 26.3 north and 93.2 west. Movement north-northeast at 16 knots or 18 miles an hour here in the Gulf. It's going to be bringing rain to parts of Texas, Louisiana, Alabama, the panhandle of Florida. Just this whole region right here in the Gulf is pretty much going to get soaked. Alright, let's take a look. Also here we have Pablo, Tropical Storm Pablo, with maximum sustained winds of 40 knots or 45 miles an hour, with minimal central pressure of 990 millibars, located at 35.8 north and 32.2 west, movement east-southeast at 9 knots or 10 miles an hour. Alright, let's take a look at Pablo first. Pablo is heading out here, becoming a storm, staying a storm all the way till 2 p.m. on noon. By 5 p.m. on Friday, a storm, and 2 p.m. on Saturday, a storm still, as it heads to the north and east at 45 miles an hour, at movement east-southeast at 10 miles an hour. Alright, let's take a look at Olga by the Gulf. It is forecasted to become a storm and stay at a depression once it hits the middle of the United States at 1 p.m. on Saturday. 4 p.m. on Friday, still a storm and still a depression once it reaches the Great Lakes on 1 p.m. on Sunday. Right now it has maximum sustained winds of 40 miles per hour and movement north-northeast at 18 miles an hour. Let's take a look here at the satellite image of Olga as she is bringing rain to Louisiana, parts of the panhandle of Florida, Alabama, and Mississippi, and parts of Texas. So they're pretty much just sitting in the Gulf and bringing rain. You see here the areas with marginal 5% marginal chance of rain and 10% chance of slight weather. Here in Louisiana, Texas, Alabama, and Mississippi, and a little bit on the part of Florida. So pretty much just coming in and bringing rain. Alright guys, let's take a look here at the Atlantic wide. You see Olga, how long the system is going into the United States. It's going to be reaching the Great Lakes later on. And you'll see also a system here by Cuba and Dominican Republic. It hasn't been a named storm or anything, but it's bringing rain here. And there does not seem to be that much coming off the coast of Africa, but there are some storms, as you see, popping up. So rain is happening there. Alright guys, that's it for this weather update. Keep your eyes out if you live in Louisiana. The possibility of flooding if you live close to the coast. You never know with the chances of rain could bring flooding to the levees in those areas in the coast. So keep your heads up. If you have a history of flooding in the area where you live, be prepared. Alright guys, hit like and subscribe for more, and see you guys next time. God bless.